Hello everyone, Watch21 here and welcome to another unboxing. Today I am looking at the Meco AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender. So this is currently retailing on Amazon for $34.99, which is actually the cheapest AC1200 Wi-Fi extender available at the moment. And I thought, let's grab it and see what the cheapest actually does for you. So straight away in the box, we are greeted with the Meco Wi-Fi extender. On the bottom there, we got power, WAN LAN 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Obviously a dual band repeater. We got, I believe, a sync button there, and underneath you got your WAN and LAN Ethernet port and LAN Ethernet port there. What we've got on the side here, so obviously these rotate as well, dual band. You got 3 switches here, so you got AP. Let's just get the camera to focus. AP, which is access point, repeater, and router. So what access point basically means is if you haven't got Wi-Fi on your router, you can set this up to basically do that. You got a repeater, which is what I'll be using this in if you've got current Wi-Fi in the house. And router kind of works the same way as access point, but really it's either one of those two that you want to settle on. On the side here, you've got the power switch. So on and off, and then your reset switch at the top. What else we got in the box? The camera focus. So we have the instruction manual here, which tells you basically all of that, what I just mentioned. And then at the bottom then, they also supply you with a Ethernet cable should you need it. So let's just chuck that out the side. Again, I do apologize if my audio was different to normal videos. I couldn't find my usual cable, so I'm using another one at the moment. I may do a review on this in future, but I'm not entirely sure how this works the first time I've used it. So as I said, on the side you've got access point, repeater, and router, and your on-off switch on the other side, and your reset switch there. So let's just go set this up quickly. The reason why I have got it is I've got a Wi-Fi stick, and downstairs is very poor signal. If anyone's used Amazon Fire Stick, they will know exactly what I mean. Let's go set this up and we'll be right back. So this is currently what I'm getting. You can see it's connected to the 5 gigahertz channel. For whatever reason, it just won't connect to the 2.4, even though there's a longer range. Beats me as to why that is. But as you can see there, you've got poor quality on the channel, and it's very marginal signal strength. I'm actually surprised it's even able to connect. So this is what I'm going to attempt to do now, plug it in and improve this. So while I've been here you just seen it then, while I've been here setting up this router, the Fire Stick is being connected and not connecting. You may have just seen it being connected and disconnected. I'm talking about this bottom line here. So it's quite simple to set this up. All you got to do is connect it to repeater mode, which is what I've done here, and then you look for the Meco XXX 2.4 or 5 gigahertz, and then connect to it and set it up there. It brings up a menu and you connect to your Wi-Fi via it. As you can see here, so it's my Wi-Fi name 2.4, and then it adds EXT 2.4 gigahertz as default. You can change it if you want to, and as you can see here now, I've got very good signal, good quality. Every so often it comes up with a recommendation here, I've just noticed, but as you can see there, please make sure your Fire Stick is connected, including power wall adapter. So that's just basically saying a power issue, which I can have a look at afterwards. But I have not seen it drop connection since setting up, which I'm really happy about. So this is the Meco Wi-Fi repeater / access point and router. Early on today, I said what the difference was, and handily, in the front of the book, if I can just get it to focus in, it actually tells you what the differences are there. I was slightly wrong earlier. If I can just connect onto there, you can read the differences here, but the short story is the repeater is to do what I've done if you've got a wireless signal and it's weak, so you can make a repeater. A router is if you have no current existing wireless network, so that will basically create a wireless network for you. And access point is more or less the same as a router, so that also creates a thing for you. So this is Watch 21, and this is the Meco wireless access point. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you thought of the video, and if I could change. If you want to see me do anything with this at a later point, let me know below. And for now, I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao for now all.